Okay, so for question 5, so basically it's about binomial distributions. So the scenario is like right now we have an aircraft of like 72 seats. Then what we are going to do is sometimes the airline company will sell extra tickets. So just like in A part. So and therefore right now the airline company can accommodate 72 seats, and from historical data it can be seen that 90% of the people can purchase the ticket will arrive and board the flight. So and therefore for A part, so of course the binomial distributions variable should be 74, because right now the airline company tried to sell 74 tickets for the flight, but only 90% of them arrive. So and then the question is the probability of getting X which is greater than 72. Okay, so and therefore we use binomial CDF to answer these questions. So and then we get the answer for this part should be 0.0379. And then for B1, so the next part is like talking about the expected number if 72 tickets are sold instead of 74. So and therefore it should be 0.9 times 72, which is 64.8, approximately equal to 65. And then for B2, so the maximum number of tickets should be that expect should be more than or equal to 72. So and therefore n times 0.9 should be equal to 72, which is the maximum number of tickets that the airline company can sold. So and therefore the answer should be 80 here. Okay. So and then here comes to the last part for C part, which is the most difficult part. So and then what we expect should be right now we have two scenarios. The first one is right now the airline company sells 74 tickets, and instead of 72. So if that guy arrives, so and then he have to pay extra if he can't board the flight. So and therefore we have two possibilities that we have to pay for the compensation. Okay, so for the first part is x equals to 73. Okay, so that means 73 people arrive. That means one of them cannot board the flight. So and therefore the airline company has to pay extra $150. Sorry, pay $300 for the compensation. So and therefore we have to put 300 here. All right. Or the second part should be both of them has arrived, right? So we have to sell 74 tickets and 74 have arrived, but only we can accommodate 72 passengers. So and therefore we have to pay an extra of $600, right, for the compensation because both of them have arrived. All right. So and this is the extra amount that he has to pay, or the airline company has to pay. All right. So and then which we have to also consider, right, because right now actually both of them has actually increased has actually paid for the air ticket price. So and that means we have to do the subtractions of both of the tickets. So and that's why, okay, we'll get negative 289 point something, which is approximately equal to negative 298. So and therefore we'll just have an extra income of $298 because of the extra pay of the two tickets. Okay, so and that's why all the airline company will just try to oversell the airline tickets in order to making extra profits. So this is the end of these questions.